The environment we want is a place where you feel like you're your own boss. You come in, you get your work done, you get to have fun, you enjoy the people you're working with, you have a good attitude, they have a good attitude. We listen to music all day, we get to joke around, but we still got our work done. And if we can have that kind of environment, keep it professional, then that's ideal. You know, everybody is here helping each other. Everybody's trying to help everybody get everything done. If somebody runs into a problem, we're all out there together trying to help. So there's support. That's who we're trying to be. It's not always perfect. Sometimes there's a bad day, but most of the time we get it right.
It's really a great team. A lot of people that really care about each other. I mean, you can tell that they support each other. We do things after hours that are fun. We'll go, top golf. We'll go camping. We'll go boating. We do different fun activities.
First of all, a great environment to work in. It's a nice shop. It's a clean shop. The owners really care about their customers and their team. And I think without that, something's always going to suffer. I've been here 25 years. I've got technicians that have been here 24, guys that have been here over 15, guys that have been here for decades, right?
Family's important to the Pellmans. If you need personal time, there's never a discussion, there's never an argument. It's do what you need to do. We'll see you when you get back. Nobody's asking anybody to pressure customers. It's a good place to work.
Yeah, I love coming into work because every day is different, It's just more relaxed. It's a family environment. You're solving problems every day. Great place to work.
It's not very stressful, very professional, good work-life balance.
Doesn't feel like work when you're here all day. We end up helping a lot of people. You feel good at the end of your day.
Working at Pellman's is a great job, and it doesn't feel like a job. They provide training, and we're always getting more educated on new tools that come out.
I enjoy the challenge of fixing cars, and then the people I work with are fun to work with, so it makes it easier to come to work. You're treated with respect, not looked down upon. Everybody has fun. Everybody works hard here.
Do you like to work on your own vehicle? Which a lot of us have our own personal vehicles. For full access to the shop, you have the alignment bay. You have 4 or 5 bays in the back, sometimes in the front. Your access to your tools. I mean, it's just easy to work here.
Phenomenal. I mean, the amount of knowledge between our foreman, our lead tech, and I mean, even the other techs that I work with too. I mean, there's just so much to always learn and so much to be absorbed. So I mean, it is one of those things that I'm truly blessed.
We love each other, and that makes it easy to work together.